Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to measure creatine scoop. First, understand that precise measurement is vital for both safety and effectiveness. While many products suggest a 5-gram serving, scoop sizes are not universal. Always consult your specific product's label to confirm the recommended dosage and the size of its included scoop. This initial step prevents underdosing or overdosing, ensuring you get the most from your supplement. For the most accurate measurement, a digital kitchen scale is your best tool, allowing you to measure creatine precisely in grams. If using a scoop, always level it off with a flat edge, like a knife, to ensure you're not packing too much powder. Remember, not all scoops are created equal. Some creatine products come with a scoop specifically designed for their recommended serving size. A common mistake is using regular kitchen spoons, which are highly inaccurate for creatine. Always refer to your product's nutrition label for the exact serving size and instructions. Consistency is paramount. Taking the same amount daily, even on rest days, helps maintain optimal creatine levels in your muscles. This steady approach ensures you reap the full benefits of your supplementation. To maximize creatine's benefits, take your recommended dose daily, without skipping, even on days you don't work out. Proper hydration is also crucial, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to help your body process the creatine effectively. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated anywhere, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.